Hi guys, the syllabus of the CAT exam is very confusing. For example, these are taken from a famous book which have 100th edition. There are 13 chapters here and another 7-8 chapters, so total 22 chapter in the logic ability book. Out of them हमारे काम का एक भी नहीं है. Team formation you can see in the exam. Input output कुछ नहीं. Syllogism is not coming for the last 25 years. So why to waste my time here? So for what we have done, we are launching our CAT cutoff clearing, IIM cutoff clearing books with the focus of 10 books, and target is very simple. These 10 books cover the complete syllabus of the CAT exam. No nonsense, purely talking about the CAT syllabus. And why we can say that? Because the books are printed after the CAT exam. Okay, so books are printed after the CAT 21. So Jan 21 is when we have printed the book. So let's look at the let's look at the syllabus of the CAT exam in this main video. So we have 3 sessions, mainly quant, DI, logic, verbal. Let's start with the DLR only. So from the DLR point of view, we have 3 books here: DLR logic, linear arrangement, matrix arrangement, logic based DI workbook, and path and roots. Fine, these are the 4 main chapters from the logic book. Then DLR modern, path and roots, binary logic, games workbook, tournament, games and tournament basically. So these are the 2 main workbooks which are talking about logic. इसमें कुछ भी relationship, direction science ऐसा कुछ नहीं आता. All those chapters not come in the exam. And last is all the calculation type of DI. So calculation based DI, fill in the blanks, Venn diagram, mathematics based DI, miscellaneous, and the sectional test. So these chapters, so in total there are 14 chapters. Very small booklets. You have to complete these booklets, and we have these chapters, and we are done. So that's your main syllabus. Look at the difference between this and what was expected this. So can you see there's a huge difference between the two kind of things. Same, moving to the verbal point of view. In my next video, I'll give you the breakup of importance of each of them. Arithmetic, main part, and modern maths. These 2 are the main part. Of lately, last year CAT paper, algebra was there. Now, algebra, if I call it algebra, is very boring term. So I call it equations. Equation ka chapter I can solve, sir. Algebra I cannot solve. Fine, so let's call it equation. Linear equation, indices, quadratic, polynomial, inequality. All these chapters are there. Geometry, numbers, and time, speed, distance, time and work, PNC, probability. This is a complete scope from the verbal point of view. Take a screenshot of this and paste it in front of you wherever you study, so that you know what is coming in the quant section and what we have to do. Okay. Moving to the verbal section. Verbal syllabus is the most limited syllabus according to me. So RC, speed building part 1, and practice, 2 parts, 2 chapters in the book. And from non-RC, para jumble, odd man out, para completion, critical reasoning, summary based, everything is there combined together. So 2 books on verbal. So 5 books on quant, 3 books on DI logic, and 2 books on verbal. This is a complete syllabus from the CAT point of view. So just take a screenshot of all these things and you are sorted. So in case you want to buy your program, so you can join us for this program at CCET, in which we are going to give you first the primer book, and the cutoff clearing books, the one I just showed you about the syllabus, and then from June onward, July onward, we'll start the pro books. We are the only books in the market who have the cover page of CAT 21. Trust me guys, no other books available in the market have guts to print CAT 21 on that. Why? Because we're printing these books in 21. So the books, the pre-booking of the books is open now. In the description box I given the link where you can buy the program in case you want to join us for the cutoff clearing, which is the orange book pack, or the complete pro pack in which you'll get all the books. So primer is available now in Jan. Feb 1 you will be getting the cutoff clearing books, and pro books will be available from May onwards. Or you can join for the e-classes program, which includes your shortcuts and the marathon as well. Alright. Or complete G100 program, which include the non-CAT exam also. So any of the programs you want to join, you can just call the numbers given here, and my team will be more than happy to help you out. Alright, all the best.